know if this is working or not. You gotta figure it out. I guess I can go into the browser and check. Oh, looks like I'm live. Let's check. Oh yeah, let's go. All right, we are live. All right. I'm gonna minimize this because it's gonna distract me. Well, first live. Let's do this. I am currently trading NASDAQ. The NASDAQ. Trading an eval right now. It's the only one that I have at the moment. If anyone happens to join this, I'll honestly be shocked that you even found it. But also, I only have 2 screens and I haven't figured out how to actually do all this. So this is me figuring it out. All right, let's see. But so on the screen that you should be seeing, I've got the 5-minute and the 1-minute. I can actually delete this box now. That was just a range that we were in. And then on this screen, we've got our 30-minute, basically volume, but ES and NQ. Not an expert at this stuff. I'm learning it from other people. So, let's see what we do. Kind of tempted to just start scalping like crazy. But trying to pass this thing. So we're under yesterday's POC on ES. Not by much, but so we could be looking for a rotation down to 63.40 maybe. Few things before that, so we'll have to see. NASDAQ, we are above yesterday's value, but underneath the EMAs in the 30-minute at the moment. Honestly, today's been really hard for me. I took some really just weird trades in here that didn't really make sense. So I guess now, well, this 5-minute just opened, so the only thing would be maybe if this 1-minute closes like somewhere up here, then we can take it for a quick little ride. Especially with this 30-minute sweeping. This actually looks really good for a long. We're coming back on this delta trail here, so we got to see if that's going to actually hold us down or not. But this looks decent though. Ish. Well, it did look decent. It doesn't really right now. No. Now it doesn't. Had we closed somewhere up here, maybe. But this 5-minute is just hugging the 8. It might be hard to see, but there's an EMA right here that is just hugging, which lines up with the 24. So honestly, good scalp short. Yeah, that was actually really nice. Those 21 points there. Could have put your stop at this high right here. And then that would have only been Like 7-point stop. Not too bad. I think what I've been struggling with is, and maybe most people do too, is it starts doing this downtrend, and so then I'm trying to buy it up. But it doesn't really make sense to buy it up without confirmation, which I think for me would probably be getting closes probably above VWAP and the 24 EMA. Strong closes, and I think that would confirm for me that, okay, it's time to go up. But we're kind of just chopping around here. I might do some micros trading though. I got the MNQ here. We can size down. That way we're just taking tiny trades. That way if we lose anything, it's not that bad. You're on camera. Oh, thank you. Maybe? I don't know how I'm gonna eat it, but no, you're okay. Thank you. I'll come eat this in a second. Just trying out the stream real quick. My lovely wife. Okay. Sorry, I shouldn't be eating while with the microphone next to me. Okay. Alright, let's see. Let's see if we can catch a little scalp right here. Just for the stream. Oh, this has a minute left. Let's see. Alright, here we go. Ready?
Order filled.
Just a little micro scalp. Let's see. Probably get stopped here. The only thing I'm thinking is that it's in a range. People want to take lows, they want to take highs. So, if we get stopped here, it's okay. I'm like so nervous right now. Not really a reason to be nervous. If this 5-minute closes right here and we don't hit TP, I might just close it because the next 5 minutes should dump if we close down like that. Alright, we're getting a little bit, but we have a lot of selling right here on ES. We're actually below the selling. So this is probably going to get stopped if we can't get back above that. Looks like 366 on ES. Okay. Let's see what we get here. Do we hit TP? This is where it can reject right here pretty hard too. Oh.
Order canceled.
I'm gonna go stop to break even there. Just to protect myself. This probably doesn't make it to TP though. Maybe, but... Oh! No! Go back up! Oh man, we're gonna get stuck at break even. Stupid NASDAQ chart. Oh, there we go. Let's go! Get up there. Get up there. Phone to the microphone. Oh.
Order filled.
Oh well. That was unfortunate. I'll try another one here in a second. Oh shoot. Oh, dude, I'm ridiculous. Oh, look at that. That's nice. Ooh, 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 ooh. Okay, you don't want to catch... Oh my gosh. Let's see, I'm going to watch this.
Order filled.
We'll take that there. We're on one micro. So I'm going to put my stop
Order
down here.
canceled.
That's a really good buyback right there. Like, that's really strong. It's not even a buyback, actually. It just got exhausted. If you look, ES just kind of thinned out. Same for NASDAQ. Yeah, there we go. TP hit. TP hit right there. So that was like Oh, I gotta do the math on that. I don't feel like pulling up the. Let me see. What is it? I can't remember what micros are. What is it? Five dot or 50 cents a tick. So $10. We made $10. $10. Oh, that's ridiculous. All right. Ooh, this is looking good now. I'm about to switch back to minis. All right, do we do a big trade here? Big trade, big trade, big baller trade. Do we go big baller trade here? This is looking really good. Gosh. Let me watch this. You know what? I'm gonna be patient because I'm a nerd, and I want to see this 5-minute close. Because if this 5-minute closes back down here, that's just gonna be kind of nasty, and I'll have YOLO'd or FOMO'd into a trade that isn't actually worth it. So. I know my background kind of looks poor, but we'll get there, baby. We'll get there. All right. This is looking really, really strong. We got some buys, some strong buying right there on NASDAQ coming in. 548. This could be the reversal. The only thing is we've got VWAP above us. We've got 24 EMA above us on the 5-minute. You see on the 30-minute, we're starting to try to get back above the 24 EMA on the 30-minute for NASDAQ. It looks like we're rejecting off of it right now. So we need to wait. That's the hardest part about this is waiting. Gotta wait. Gotta wait. All right, we got a minute left in this 5 minutes. Let's see if we get a good close. Because if we get a good close, we can possibly take a scalp up to the VWAP because the 24 EMA is right on top of it. So we could see price want to move back towards that. But we need to see this 5-minute have a really, really strong close. If we can't have a strong close, then honestly, I probably won't touch it right now. I'll probably kill the stream and go eat. And then come back and try again later. Because right now, this just looks not the best. It looks like it's starting to kind of get weak right before the close. Okay, it's not bad. We just didn't close above that 8, but this looks really good, man. At least in the 1 minute, this looks pretty decent, but and on the 30-minute, we're still sitting above these sells here on ES. We've got some selling, a little bit of selling here on NASDAQ that we're above now, and we've got buying, a little bit of buying here. Starting to get the push on the 1 minute there. Not bad. That was not bad. Not a bad long. That was a little tough. A little tough. Just didn't look very strong. It's a live stream.
Is there anyone watching?
No. Just me.
I'm gonna get on my phone right now and watch you trade.
I'm kind of boring right now. It's a little nerve-wracking. Thank you. This is us pre-rich. Alright, I gotta start taking some trades, or else this is gonna be such a boring stream. Alright. Man. We're running into the previous node on NASDAQ to see this here. We're running into this right now. So this is either a back test. I guess we want to see, is this area going to be bull controlled or bear controlled? That's what we want to see. Because what could happen, we could close here on the 30 minute. We've got 7 minutes left. We could close here. The next candle comes up, shows nothing, and then we just dump. That could happen. Could. Yeah, see, right now we're not breaking through this. All right. I'm gonna kill this stream here pretty soon. I just want to see if I can get one more trade in, but a nice drop on the 1 minute here, back into here with a close, strong close, could be a nice short scalp maybe, but we got to see what happens here. I feel like right now I'm kind of like, this feels 50-50 to me, and that could just be my inexperience. Feels 50-50 to me though. I feel 50-50. Bam, 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 bam. I need like music. I got a lot of work to do on this stream, man. All right. I just started a TikTok. Let me find my username. I've got one video on there right now. Ernest, Ernest 5292 on TikTok. TikTok. Got one video. Got one video on there right now. So if I get a job soon, then I might have to figure out the streaming stuff. But anyways, all right, my food's getting cold over here. My wife made me a lovely breakfast toast, so I don't want it to get too cold. All right, I'm watching this 1 minute. This 5 minute. This 5 minute. Oh man, this doesn't look bad for a quick long. This does not look bad for a quick long here. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. All right, let's see. We're hugging the 8. Could put your stop here. This is essentially a pivot, small pivot. 13 points. Okay, there we go. There's the drop. We got to see what happens here, because if they hold this, then we could just see this turn back around. But I'm tempted to sell. But let's wait. Let's wait. Let's be patient. See. Gotta see what happens right here. What I would love to see is we come back up, we tag into this area here, and then we reject again, and then I can take that. I don't want to just short this the bottom of this candle, but I'm really tempted to. That's just maybe on micros, just so that I don't lose the eval. Oh man, what a drop. Look at that. Alright, that's cool. just just left without me. 2 seconds ago, I was like, let's log this. Ah. But here's the thing. I can sit here all day and be like, well, it can do this, and it can do this, and it can do this, and it can do this. What matters, though, is where do I actually enter? Where am I actually pulling the trigger? Because that's the stuff you can measure, right? I'm not even trying to teach you. Don't even listen to me. I'm not profitable. Don't listen to me. I've gotten a couple payouts, but... Alright, we're back under that selling on ES now. Alright, we got 2 minutes left in this candle. I'm gonna kill this stream here in like probably 6 minutes. Let's just see if we can find another scalp somewhere that would make sense. Let me go look at trading view, see where we are. Yeah, we're rejecting pretty hard off. We just rejected off that 24 on NASDAQ on the 30-minute. Coming back into previous week POC on NASDAQ, previous week value area low on ES. On the 4-hour, we're coming back towards the 8 EMA. We got a little bit of room to the downside before we tag it. There's also a little bit of a demand area right there, so this could be... Should we take a little micros? Should we go a little micros here? Should we do a little micro action? Do a little micro action! I don't know if I like this just yet. I'm gonna let this 5-minute close. But yeah, see that? Yeah. Let's see how this one closes. We might be able to take this. Fast scalp. It's a fast scalp. I'll go with 3. 3 micros. Some buying right there.
Order filled.
Let's see.
Order cancelled.
Oh, looks like we're probably gonna get stopped. We just created a little node there on ES. Right here. So, gotta see if we get the little pop up, or if we're just gonna dump hard. I don't like this 5 minutes about to close. I might close this because this can get wicked out on the next 5-minute candle, and it's the next 30. Ooh, okay, we're probably not in the best position here. I don't know if I like this. Let's see. See if the 30 can bring us up. Okay, 30's bringing us up. Oh, get there, baby, get there. Oh, we're rejecting off the 8. Push.
Order filled.
Boom, son. Oh, dude, I cracked myself up. All right, I'm gonna kill the stream. That was funny though. Let me see. We are at $463 for the day. $463 for the day on the eval. So we're getting there, baby. Getting there. All right. To anybody who happens to watch this, thank you for watching. I will see you later. I gotta go figure out how to turn the stream off now. I think it's right here. All right, bye.